Another little cool accessory that I found on the MNNTHBX site was this bottle opener attachment for the monkey and the GROM. So as a guy that includes drinking beers and riding with my friends, this one of the things that just caught me, and it was like, okay, gotta have that. So no performance use, obviously, but it'll give you some liquid courage, I imagine. This one's pretty straightforward as well. It goes on the left side of the engine case on this top magneto side cover. Pops right in there. Force your way through a little bit of the powder coating first. Powder coating adds thickness to some parts and don't want to scrape it away, so just slide it on in there. And I guess you can go two ways with it, so we could try it the other way, see what it looks like. I think I'm going to go with it pointing towards the frame, just because it sits a little bit more flush. And either way, you're going to put your beer bottle in there and pop that sucker open that way. There you go. Cheers.